I greet you all in Jesus' mighty name. This morning I want to share with you the book of 1 Peter chapter 4 and verse 8. This is what the word of God says. And above all things, have fervent love for one another, for love covers a multitude of sins. My brother, my sister, this is a commandment from Jesus. This is a commandment, my brother, my sister, that Jesus says we have to love one another. It says in John 13 verse 34, Jesus speaking, a new commandment I give you, that you love one another as I have loved you. Also love one another. My brother, my sister, how is the world going to know that we are Jesus' disciples? By our love for one another. Jesus says a new commandment. This was a new commandment when it was written. But my brother, my sister, Jesus says a new commandment I give you, that you love one another as I have loved you. Just as Jesus has loved us, my brother, my sister, and does love us, so we need to love one another. He says that you also love one another. Verse 35, by this all will know that you are my disciples, if you have love for one another. If we have love for one another, my brother, my sister, then all will know that we are Jesus's disciples. If we go to John chapter 15 and verse 12, Jesus speaking here again. It says, this is my commandment, that you love one another as I have loved you. As Jesus has loved us, my brother and my sister, so we need to love one another. In Romans chapter 12 verse 9 it says, let love be without hypocrisy. Don't want to say that you love one another, but you are a hypocrite. You say that we love one another, but my brother, my sister, meantime we hate each other. We need to truly love one another, my brother, my sister. We have to truly love one another. This is a commandment out of the word of God. 1 Timothy chapter 1 and verse 5 says, now the purpose of the commandment is love from a pure heart, from a good conscience, and from a sincere faith. Out of a pure heart, my brother, my sister, our heart needs to be pure in order for us to love one another. My brother, my sister, if your heart is not pure, you're not going to love one another. Let us keep this commandment and love one another.